Just opened this chest freezer. It just came today morning, and well, that's yesterday morning. Didn't get a chance to open it. Now I just opened it, and I didn't see it on the delivery of time. The delivery guy was crazy anyway. And look at this damage here. Look at this box damage here. I just opened it and look what I find inside. Like it's damaged. It's damaged here. Also another damage, another hole there as well, as you can see just there. So look, it's in my sitting room here. I just opened it and found the damage. I don't know what to do. The box came like this. Thank you. And the delivery driver was rubbish. He left it outside the door, outside the entrance. I had to force him to help me bring it up. He didn't even deliver it to my door. It was rubbish.
Okay, I received my freezer and it's okay. It's cold. It's doing everything it's supposed to do. But I noticed this place is dent. Noticed a dent there. It went in. So yeah, you can see it. But apart from that, everything else is okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's cold. It's okay.